इसमें कुछ थे see this lip? There was something behind it when they formed this structure. और ये जो marble है, see marble was introduced in India in 14th century with the Tughlaq dynasty. भैया आप अनीश so marble, this whole is Firoz Shah Tughlaq's intervention in this monument. उसके पहले हमारे पास मार्बल से काम करना या dome and that is called a squinch. See, they knew only how to make rectangular things initially. ठीक है, now how to convert this square into a circle. तो उसके लिए they learned the technology of making what is this called squinch. हाँ, they broke the rectangle by making it octagon and then from there they learned how to make a dome. And also, you know, this is called what is it's called trapeze construction. मतलब one over the other. ऐसे करके you span the space.
Trapeze.
हाँ. In philosophy देखो ऐसे.
That is just for beauty. देखो ये वाला जो है this must have been important because this is the only place with the marble left here.
Yeah, because this grave area, na, very important in a tomb is the area where you pray. So this is called mihrab. You are facing west. So the prayer area and the royal family used to use this. So पूरा उसको अच्छा decorate करते हैं.
हाँ बताइए.
ये if you can look there, you have a lintel beam, and this beam typical is Hindu architecture.
और वो फूल सब भी बिल्कुल
Hindu architecture. So it is obvious that there was something here during the
मुगल या स्लेव डायनेस्टी. ये जरा इसके बारे में बोलिए, अब जो आर्चेस एंड इसके बारे में बोल रहे थे.
This is again what we see the development of a square plan into a dome. So the way they treated it was they broke the square by making it to an octagon and then making the dome. And it is called what is called a trapeze construction. It is not an arcuate. They hadn't learned the art of making a arch, but through corbelling technique they used to make an arch and a dome.
And about that arch, directly from Afghanistan.
Yes, the influence of architecture is seen directly from Afghanistan. This is only kind of a tomb fortress that we find in India. You have examples of the same kind somewhere in Turkey or Afghanistan.
And this place being a Mazar Sharif and a fort.
Also at a point it was a madrasa. It was used as and a very important religious and cultural center for the community living here. And you had a whole settlement around it. Till date, we don't know what is the extent of the settlement. It could be going well into the Rangpuri village. You see all these ruins. These are houses of noblemen who lived here. Inscriptions have been found with date, which says around 14th century, construction of a well, of a marriage. So there is lots and lots of archaeological information here which needs to be investigated further.
Okay.
You know, that's why what happened, DDA wanted to make a boundary wall. Okay, so all the people in Vasant Kunj, they went against that and they said, you stop it because we don't know the extent of the archaeological remains. The moment you make a boundary wall, you have roads, you have constructions, you would have destroyed the heritage forever. So they need techniques and other to find out. There's a lot of investigation to be done, excavation to be done here. You don't know whatever nobody knows what can be found here. Can we go upstairs? Yes, you can. I'll kind of say it. इस मैं नहीं जाऊँगी। मुझे तो डर लगता है, तुम लोग जा सकते हो तो जाओ। शारदा भी अनीश नहीं पूरा वसंत कुंज जाते हैं। अच्छा, मैं अभी यहाँ एक चीज़ इंटरेस्टिंग बताती हूँ।
हाँ।
हम लोग हाईएस्ट पॉइंट पे हैं, ठीक है, और इसके बियॉन्ड लो लाइंग एरियाज थे, एग्रीकल्चरल फील्ड्स थे, महिपालपुर था। यहाँ महिपालपुर में एक बंद है, महिपालपुर बंद बोलते हैं, इट्स अ टैंक। द वाटर फ्रॉम हियर वाज चैनलाइज्ड टू गो एंड फिल इन द टैंक व्हिच वाज यूज्ड फॉर एग्रीकल्चरल फील्ड्स। और आज के दिन में हमने क्या किया, वी मेड इट अ डंप यार्ड, वी फिल्ड इट विद रबिश, वी ब्लॉक्ड ऑल द वाटर चैनल्स, we brought about this whole settlement of Vasant Kunj and destroyed the original water which was so precious for the city. ये नील का है?
ब्लैक कलर काउस। मम्मा
जा सकते हैं, मैं भी गई हूँ।
स्टोन का कलर
It's a very unique kind of stone color which is not easily found here in Delhi, and it was probably they used it from a quarry very near to the site, but while we're trying to get the stone, it's not possible now. Or दूसरा, there is no mortar. One stone is placed over the other. That's all.
हाउ डिड दे गेट फिक्स्ड?
They are fixed.
नहीं फिर ये क्या है?
something over here.
हाँ ये
That is repair. अब ये किसी को समझ में नहीं आता कि ये सीढ़ियाँ क्या। अभी खिला रहे हैं।
या स्टार्ट
But the mystery of why the steps are placed here is yet to be resolved. Nobody knows why this is here. Was there any opening here? These are all the unanswered questions related to this famous.
Was there something wooden structure on top of it?
That is just a probability. Was there any structure on top for which this was the opening? Anything.
Because in all those Muslim dynasties, you know, they never had rooms. The concept of rooms wasn't there. It was only that
Pillars and a roof.
पर्दा
हाँ, हाँ।
क्यों चढ़ाते हैं? ऐसा कुछ है?
ये नहीं पता ये कहाँ